And I'm going on a hike today up there in the mountains. So let's see how far up I can get during these snowy conditions. The weather looks pretty good though, so quite promising. And from up here there's a trail in the direction of the area I want to visit. So let's see how far up I can get. I can't find any trail. If there's a trail I can't see it. But at least I'm getting higher here, so if I walk a little higher, let's work for the drone. I found a great place for almost starting to slide here. A great place for a rest, maybe not so great, but a great view. And it's still early, and most people, I guess, still asleep on a Saturday or just waking up. So this just goes to show that you need to be up early when you have the opportunities like this on a weekend. So far no problems, but it's kind of steep here getting up here, so a little bit of a nuisance to get up, and I'll have to see how much further I get up when I reach spot over there. We'll see how it looks from there, but so far no problems. And I do not expect to see anybody else on this hike. Even during the summer up here, not so many people in the mountains. The snow here is quite deep, and I'm getting closer to the ridge up there, but I'm not going to go all the way. A little bit further, and then I'll fire up the drone, and let's see what kind of footage I can get from up there. I think it might be quite spectacular, and the view here as well. It's pretty good, and the polar night, the daylight is very short. So I can't spend a lot of time here before it's pitch black anyway, so. Time to go down, and of course it's very deep snow here. During the summer I'm going back to all these peaks. I'm gonna climb here and up here for sure, but not now. This is not the time, and it will be pitch black within an hour and a half, I think. A different route on the way down to get to know the area, and yeah, a lot of snow and stones. The snow is covering the stones, so you have to move slowly, one step at a time, to avoid breaking a leg. That's what you want to avoid when you're on your own in the mountains and nobody knows you're there, and darkness is soon arrive. Looks like an area where you can have bears sleeping under here at stones and trees, but no bears in this area of Norway. You have to go further east towards the Swedish border. No bears around here, and that's fine with me. And one of my favorite activities up here is to look for moose while I'm driving, and I always seem to see a few moose. So I'll be surprised if we don't see a moose here driving back home. Just have to pay attention here. And luckily there's very little traffic, so we can focus on what's going on next to the road. And while driving, spotting for those huge creatures, the moose, I prefer to listen to Christmas music. It's a great atmosphere here now, Christmas atmosphere. And the only thing missing is the moose. And maybe some reindeer, but I don't think I'm gonna see any reindeer here. So moose will do. But where are they?